Today we'll be discussing about the concept of button control. As you all know, mainly what are buttons? Buttons are nothing but they are the specifiers which are used on the form. When you click on that particular thing, it will be displaying certain message. That is said to be a button. Okay, button. It is only an option which is being used to click it. So in this C# concept, you will be learning about the button. What do you use and the coding for the button? How it is being done? That we will be discussing in this today's concept. Okay, so let's check out what is button. It is said to be belonging to the namespace that is said to be your system.windows.forms.button. Okay, remember it will be displayed in the beginning with the keyword system.windows.forms. In that only this button specifier it will be there. You need not specifically use separately as button. Okay, it is an executing command which is being used when it is being clicked. Okay, at that time it is being specified. How it is said to be there is like when a button is being clicked, you specify the code which is being used. Okay, mainly it specifies the code which is being used in the whole screen. Okay, I want to display something, it will display something when you click on that particular button. How do you choose the button? In the toolbox, the button option is there. That button option, it has to be dragged and dropped onto the screen like this. Okay, this is your form. On that form you have a button called OK. How it is being used is on the left side the toolbox it will be displayed. In the toolbox the button option it would be there. Okay, that button option it has to be dragged and it has to be placed on the form. Okay, afterwards, okay, you don't have the message being printed, only it will be having a button there. So what message you want to print on that particular button, it can be changed in that button text bar. Okay, which will be there in the properties. That button text, you can change that particular text of the button. Okay, so this button has its own code. You can check out with the code which is being specified here. The code, what does it say is you have private void button 1 click. Okay, you will be using the first button. You may have multiple buttons. That also remember, on a form you can have multiple, the buttons can be dragged and dropped onto the screen. Okay, so when you use in the beginning, when you click on that particular, double click on that particular button, you will be displayed on the form with this specific code, that is private void button 1. Since you are using button 1, if you have another button, it will say it as button 2. So private void button 1 underscore click object sender and event E. It's nothing but you are using an event to click certain thing. So it's an event which you are specifying within that particular button. Okay, and that object it will be sent in the memory and it will fetch the element from the memory and it will display something on the screen. Okay, in the memory, if it is said to be having message box, you can check out here message box dot show clicking button. When the button is being clicked, it should show the message that is clicking button. But as usual, when you drag and drop a material or a button on the screen, when you double click, it will go to the home. But only when you execute, it will be specified with the button and you click it, it will show this particular clicking button option. Okay, so like this you can use the buttons everywhere, wherever you want. Okay, when you are using calculating something, you can use the button to calculate it. Okay, I want to display something, I can use it. I want to display a message, I can use a button and then display that particular image. Like that, many things are there when you click a button. So it has its own option, yes, no, whatever you are using, you can use it on the button text option. Okay, so label, next you will be learning about the label. Label is just a label column which will be dragged and dropped on the screen, and only thing is that you specify that particular label with the name. Or other thing else also can be done, that you can specify label 1 dot text is equal to, in double quotes, whatever text you want to display, you can display on the screen. Okay, so label control, it is just only you are set to be displaying the message on the screen. So label and link label control, it is nothing but it's a control which is being used to add some form of text on the screen. Okay, one label I use it, on that I will be adding specified some text on that particular label. And when you are said to be dragging it, you drag it and drop it onto the screen. Your whichever label is there, you just pick it up and you are said to be dragging it up and dropping on the screen. Okay, that happens in the label and link label control. By default, initially some text would be there on the label, that is label 1, label 2, label 3, like that. Okay, you can change it by using the properties. You have to go to properties. In properties text box of the label, you can change it with your specified name, whatever you want. Okay, and the label also has a label control which can even give a link to other page also. From one label to another label, you can give a link also, and you can specify that particular thing on the screen. Okay, so this is the part of a label, and how it is being displayed is, you can check out here. You have the form which is being confined with certain label. Okay, here only thing is that in the first image, that particular label, it has being printed with certain message, and your label can also be used as an hyperlink. Somewhere else you can place it on the screen. Okay, so link label, it is used to link that particular label to any other page, whereas certain label, you just name it with the particular name on the screen, or separately in the code you can write it as label 1 is equal to, in double quotes you can write whatever text you want. Okay, like that you can specify separately. And in this today's session, you have learned about the button control and label control. Okay, thank you.